Alright guys, expecting a special marine warning any second now. It just started raining. I just got some pretty big thunder. I'm just waiting for this alert to come in.
Chicago Lawn, Bridgeport, Hammond, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Lansing, Park Forest, Cedar, Glenwood, Thornton,
Yep.
South Village, Linwood, Creek, Ford Heights, and Beecher. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Oh, here we go.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Benton County in northwestern Indiana, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 11:15 p.m. or 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wilmington to the Clifton near System Park, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Chesterton, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Rensselaer, Lemont, Hebron, Fowler, Kentland, Otterbein, Remington, Morocco, Wheatfield, Lake Village, and Griffith. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Alright, there should be a
If you spawn a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. midnight Eastern Daylight Time for East Central Illinois and northwestern Indiana. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather